What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another throwback video, man. A lot of new content coming soon. I can't express that enough. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it, guys. This is a 2003 Chevy Silverado, guys. This Silverado had 191,000 miles on it. I'm not sure why that tape was there, but it had 191,000 miles on it. It was not the 5.3, it was the 4.8. I had actually got two Silverados the same day. So it's going to be this video and the video you guys see tomorrow with the white Silverado. But I got a little story to tell you guys about the white Silverado. But this was the better driving Silverado, even though the other one was 4x4. But we're going to go ahead and get into that later. But in this video, man, paid $2,200 for this bad boy. This is the 03 Silverado. Had a black and a white one. This is the black one. Very clean, very nice Silverado. 191,000 miles. As you can see, it had the bed liner and everything already. I don't know why that tape was there, because the back hatch did work. Everything did work. It was nice and clean. It was ran for wires and stuff already. As you can see, the interior, wasn't all dirty or anything like that. Radio and everything was all set in this bad boy. Cranks right up and everything, nice and clean. Like I said, guys, I paid $22 for this bad boy. Like I said, this was the way better driving truck to me. I actually sold this one, so I bought them at the same time and I sold them at the same time, guys. So when I bought them the same day, and then when I sold them the same day. And then I'll tell you guys about the white one tomorrow. But for this one, I sold it for $2,700. So I paid $22 for it and I sold it for $2,700. So we're just gonna go ahead and say that right now. Even though I sold them both at the same time to the same guy, I'm gonna just tell you guys I sold this one for the $27. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow and I'll show you guys the the white one, the 4x4. Thanks for watching my videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. A lot more content coming for you guys very soon. As you can see in this video, this was a clean truck. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.